This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Chelsea Tice Par Trio. New roof to be installed soon. Visualize yourself living in a charming English style cottage located on the bluff of Hogtown Creek. The location of Colony Park is minutes from Millhopper Shopping Center, University of Florida and Downtown Gainesville. The dramatic skylight in the kitchen sheds its light on the all-wood cabinets and new appliances. Enjoy the living/dining room area with its 12-foot ceilings, a wall of windows overlooking your private woods, a gas fireplace with an attractive mantle and new vinyl plank flooring. Enjoy your meals in the breakfast area or bar and then head to your cheerful Solarium to read the newest NY bestseller. If it's fresh air you need, the wooden deck beyond is the place to ponder the joys of your life. Extensive master suite with room for all the furniture you enjoy, 2 huge walk-in closets for your must-have wardrobe and shoes, separate tub and shower. Renovated laundry/hobby area with built-in cabinets make your daily chores almost fun. The upstairs bedroom and bath provides a great getaway office or guest room. Make your appointment to preview this listing before someone else makes it their home. For more information, review the details below.